Do you like to drink hot chocolate? How about coffee or milk? I am sure of that. So, when you tried preparing your choice of drink, have you ever noticed what will happen when you combine those powdered drink with hot water? We call your chocolate drink, your coffee, or your milk as mixtures. In this lesson, you are going to find out the different types of mixtures. What is a mixture? A mixture is formed when two or more substances are combined together by physical means. For an instance, when we combine salt and water, we can form a mixture. When we combine different fruits and milk, we can make a fruit salad, which is a mixture. And when we combine coffee powder and water to produce coffee, mixture is also formed. Mixtures can be further classified as homogeneous and heterogeneous. This means that a mixture of salt and water, a fruit salad, and a coffee can be an example of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. We will find out their classification as we go through our discussion. Let us first talk about homogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures have a uniform composition, and the substances combined together cannot be easily seen and separate. The prefix homo means the same, and it tells us that when two substances combine extremely well with one another, they form a uniform mixture. It contains one phase of matter. When we combine coffee powder with water and we stir it well, what can you notice? If you say that you can easily see which one is water and which one is coffee powder, then you are correct. We can notice that they can be seen as one substance. We only see one phase of matter, but not the combining materials, which are water and coffee powder. Why can we only see one phase? When we say one phase, it means it has one appearance, just like this coffee. These are other examples of homogeneous mixtures. Seawater, which is a combination of salt and water. Vinegar, a combination of acetic acid and water. And air, a combination of different gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Now, let us proceed to heterogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures is the opposite of homogeneous mixture. The components of heterogeneous mixture do not have a uniform composition, and the sizes of the particles vary. And you can easily identify one substance from the other. The word hetero means many. It means that the substance combined together formed many phases. Any mixture that contains more than one phase of matter is a heterogeneous mixture. Let's say, for example, when we combine different fruits and milk, what have you noticed? Correct! You can still see all the combined substances. You can easily identify the fruits and the milk. You can see more than one phase. Other examples of heterogeneous mixtures are the following. Oil and water. These are called immiscible liquids, meaning they do not mix together. They formed layers. Another example is soil. It combines many different components which are not uniform, such as stone, clay, decaying plant material, and even living things. And the last one is soda. This is also considered a heterogeneous mixture. It contains water, sugar, and carbon dioxide, which forms bubbles. Can you give other examples of heterogeneous mixture? Great job! Now, in summary, here are the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures have a uniform composition. Its components cannot be seen easily. The substances combined form one phase. The particles are evenly distributed. The components cannot be separated easily. On the other hand, heterogeneous mixtures do not have uniform composition. The components can be easily seen. The substances combined form from one another. The particles are not evenly distributed. The components can be separated. Now, let us try this activity to check if you understood our lesson for today. I'll give you 2 minutes to answer. You are going to classify the following mixtures as homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Let us check your answers. If you answer heterogeneous for vegetable salad, then you are correct. Heterogeneous for assorted candies, you got it right. Rainwater is an example of homogeneous. Perfect. Pizza is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Great job. And milk? It's an example of a homogeneous mixture. Perfect.